guys, this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to unbox the Sugarbox which I received recently, and I am so excited because just look at the packaging. First, just look at the packaging. Just look how beautiful the packaging is. It's a pure proper white box, like a cake box, and then there is this ribbon tied up all on the lid. So you get about 7 to 8 surprise items in your Sugarbox, and you get so many items in this. It's just amazing, and this is the first time I have received this one, so I'm really excited to see what all we get inside. And this bag is for their 4th anniversary, so this is for if they have completed 4 years of this box, and it's so amazing how well they are doing. And so yeah, this this card, first thing is this card, and it says 4 years of sharing happiness, 4 years of love, 4 years of surprises with a lot more to come. This couldn't have been possible without your support, so hope we bring a smile to your face with our 4th anniversary edition. This is the box for the 4th anniversary edition. The first item that I got is this beautiful travel bag, and just look at that. Just a beautiful, this is the material of jute, I would say, I guess. That's what it's called, I guess. And this is a beautiful bag. At the back, it looks like this. And at the front, it is written Wander over here. This one has these leather straps. Obviously, they are fake leather. That's not real leather. So these are the leather straps. And then we have some leather work at the back here and at the back here. And we also have this big pocket, but it does not have any zipper or anything, so you can just keep your necessary stuff like charger and stuff in that. And also you get this big strap that is to be attached to your bag. See, this is the strap that you get, and then inside you have this much space. The first thing that you'll see is this frame, which I haven't opened. The second thing that you get is this wooden frame here, and it has this wooden frame ply work going on, and it says enjoy the little things. This is how the frame looks like. It's beautiful, beautiful paper, beautiful frame without any glass though, so you won't get any glass on this. The next item that you get is this, and this is foot soak orange and lime flavor. You just have to put some of these in hot or warm water, and you can soak your foot, and it will get soft with this, and it will smell so good as well. And once the water is cold, you can get your foot out and just scrub off the dead skin, and this will moisturize your foot so well because the ingredient says it has Epsom salt, soda bicarb, cedarwood essential oil, lime essential oil, orange essential oil, and safe skin safe color, sorry. So yeah, this is what it is, and its brand is Blissent. It's handcrafted body luxuries. It's a beautiful pack, and it comes with, and this one comes in this Ziploc bag. The next thing that my eyes glare at is this chocolate that they gave me, and this one is of bonbon chocolate flavor. The next item that you see in this box is this pop socket, and this one is a plain white with some rangoli kind of design on it, and that too in white and black. I'll show you the close-up of it as well. And there it is, the stand. I guess that is the what do you call this, holder, I guess. So yeah, that comes with that, and yeah, that's how this one looks like. And the next item is jewelry, and that comes in this nice paper bag. The jewelry looks something like this. Okay, so this is a long chain, and it's a nice not properly gold, but more like oxidated gold chain. And this one has this ring, and then the fur here, and then these two tangling things. I really feel like this is so good. It's gonna look so well with everything because it's so cute and a precious looking necklace. The next item that I love the most are these, although I'm not a huge fan of Hello Kitty, but look at that. These look so cute. Maybe I'll just remove these, remove this one if I can, but I think I won't be able to do that. So yeah, this is how my slippers, these are like bedroom slippers, and yeah, this is how these look. The thing that I did not like was that this one was not of my size. Here it says 38-39, and I fit in 39-40. so maybe that's why I did not fit in this, but these are so cute and comfy. You guys can see these are adorable. The last item in the box is this PJ that I got, and this one has this floral print on it, and this is how this one looks like. And yeah, this is a full long pajama. As you guys can see, it's a long full pajama and I love it, although it's a little bit sheer, so not of great quality or totally expensive or something, but it's a little bit sheer, so I feel that I'll be just able to wear it for sleep, and I might not able to jump out of the house to get my parcel or anything wearing this, because it's a super sheer one and I feel like people will see some skin going around under this. So yeah, that's that. Although it's a very comfortable cotton, so that's good. So that concludes the overall Sugarbox, their 4th anniversary edition box, guys. I loved everything in this. If you want to get this box as well, the links will be in the description box for you guys to subscribe to their boxes. And I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, let me know what you think about the box. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy.